My name is Belle Ganevic, and welcome to my Week 4 journal for class HWE340 Exercise and Physiology, Instructor Eric D. I have assessed my respiratory, cardiovascular, and neuromuscular responses pre and post exercise and will explain my results. At rest, my respiratory rate was 14 breaths per minute. My heart rate was 72 beats per minute. My breathing was steady as inspiration or breathing in and expiration or breathing out took place. My heart rate is steady as my heart receives deoxygenated blood from other areas of my body, and as it pumps blood to my lungs for aeration. My heart is receiving oxygenated blood from my lungs and pumps blood to the aorta to send throughout my body. This is necessary to keep my body in homeostasis, which is the rate of necessary function for health. Also, at rest, both my parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous systems are at work. The parasympathetic system slows my heart rate, while the sympathetic system increases my heart rate. These systems are working together to keep my heart rate regulated. Muscle action takes place by increasing the number and frequency of motor units at work caused by excitation, which the neurotransmitter acetylcholine sends impulses to muscle fibers to contract or shorten. However, at rest, this is minimal because there is not a lot of movement. Movements at rest do not cause strain as they are sedentary movements. So now, after exercise, after 3 minutes of jogging in place and 30 push-ups in 1.5 minutes, my respiratory rate increased to 32 breaths per minute, and my heart rate increased to 100 beats per minute. My muscles responded to the activity, and for the push-ups, my muscles fatigued quickly. I did not feel fatigue after jogging. I was not short of breath, and my heart rate was increased, yet steady. My upper body muscles were slightly sore. With long-term exercise, there are chronic adaptations that increase oxygen uptake, carbon dioxide production, as well as blood lactate concentration. As activity begins, nerve centers activate cardiovascular activity, increasing heart rate and blood flow according to the intensity of your activity. Blood pressure also adapts as blood flow increases per minute. This blood flow increases systolic pressure, then levels off as activity continues. Diastolic pressure does not change. As activity intensifies and continues for longer periods, the body adjusts by utilizing anaerobic glycolysis, metabolizing carbohydrate, and use stored glycogen from muscles. As mentioned during rest, the muscle action increased the number and frequency of motor units caused by excitation, with the neurotransmitter acetylcholine sending impulses to muscle fibers to contract and shorten. So that is my journal, and there are many changes that occur with the body to adjust for activity to keep our bodies in that state of homeostasis. Thank you.